Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to find the Creator Center on Bigo Live. So as you can see, right now I'm on my profile on Bigo Live. So how you get to your profile is on the bottom 5 icons, as you can see on the bottom, there's Home, Explore, and the middle one is for you yourself to go live, Community. Community is for the community of Bigo Live. And then we have Me. So you're going to click on the Me icon that's in the bottom right corner, and you'll get to here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options: Messages, Wallet, Item Bag, My Post, Task Center, Activities, Level, Fan Groups, and Ranking and Creator Center. So Creator Center is right under Ranking. So we're going to click on Creator Center right now. And this shows you through the Creator Center for you to go live, and that's how you can make money on this app. People will send you gifts and etc, etc. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.